welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to bring out the toggles, and then swipe down right here to extend the list of visible toggles and locate the screen recording. So let's see if I can quickly find mine. Oh, there we go, it's right over here. So once you see the toggle, you can simply tap on it. So once you start the recording, it gets saved and gives you this pop-up right here. Now, as you can see, I did open up just an application just so I can showcase this. So now, let's close this. And we're going to navigate to our Photos application, or AI Gallery as it's called right here. And we can now select Videos. And it's right here. Now, I do want to also point out that you won't be able to record everything. There are certain applications that will black the screen recorder, and what you will end up having is a black screen instead of a recording. So just be mindful that you might sometimes encounter such a thing. Now, anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.